Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf Shah from TechDroids, and OnePlus is back at it again with another limited edition phone, and this time around it's the OnePlus 12 Glacial White. So initially when the OnePlus 12 came out in January, it was launched in two colors, the Flowy Emerald, which is green, and the Silky Black. And a few months later, OnePlus has decided to refresh the colors and give you guys a new finish, and that's the Glacial White. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick unboxing of the Glacial White color and comparing it to the existing colors of the OnePlus 12. Should be a fun video. Stick around till the end and let's get started. Now getting to the unboxing experience, the box on the outside is pretty much the same as the other colors. There is no indication as to this being the limited edition phone except the Glacial White branding on the back. But once you open that lid up, you're greeted with this small compartment that has your free case, documentation, and some ejector tool. There are also some OnePlus stickers in there, and you get the phone itself. It's wrapped in plastic, so peel that off and take that sticker, and this reveals the new Glacial White finish. And on first impressions, it actually looks good. I know it's glossy and we all prefer matte finishes, but every other finish on the OnePlus 12 is matte. So it's good to have a new color that's also available in the glossy finish. And again, moving on to the rest of the accessories in the box, you get the 100-watt SuperVOOC charger and a OnePlus Type A to Type C cable in the signature red color. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing experience. Now talking about the finish itself, the Glacial White, as the name suggests, is a glossy white phone with chrome sides. Comparing the three colors on the OnePlus 12 now, you have Glacial White, Silky Black, and Flowy Emerald. Starting off with the Silky Black, if you don't understand any other color, just get black. It's classic, goes well with all sorts of apparel, and this black is actually pretty unique since it has that sandpaper texture on the back, so you have those tiny grains, and it is a grippy phone. I really like it, but it's definitely a deep black phone, so that's that. It does show smudges and fingerprints sometimes if you have greasy hands, but other than that, scratches aren't really a thing on this finish. It's very resistant to that, and you can use the free included case with any of the three colors to protect the phone from fingerprints, smudges, and scratches. Now talking about the Flowy Emerald, which is green, it's definitely a unique finish for the OnePlus 12. A lot of people are opting to go for this finish since it's matte and has that marble texture. Definitely gives the phone a really premium look, and it does feel slightly different in terms of the touch compared to the Silky Black. But again, super grippy, is gonna hold really well in terms of scratches and fingerprints in day-to-day use, so no worries about that. Now talking about the Glacial White, smudges, fingerprints, and scratches aren't really that evident, so you really have to look at the phone at a certain direction and a certain angle to really catch the fingerprints and smudges, but overall it definitely catches more of them compared to the other colors. And everything else about the phone remains the same. You're still getting that gorgeous 6.82-inch LTPO Pro XDR display with 120Hz refresh rate and Quad HD Plus resolution. It can boost up to 4500 nits in terms of peak brightness. You also get Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front. You get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in terms of performance with 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM and that huge 5400 mAh battery with 100-watt SuperVOOC fast charging, the IP65 water and dust resistance rating, and the Hasselblad camera system. And talking about the camera system, I did click some pictures on the Glacial White just for fun, and here are the camera samples. Closing thoughts on the OnePlus 12 Glacial White. I personally like it, even though I don't really like glossy phones. Because this is white, I don't mind it. So that's that. If you are considering to buy the OnePlus 12, there's a new color to choose from, and again, new colors are always fun, and even the price remains the same. So if you get the 12/256 version, you'll be paying 65,000 rupees, and if you get the 16/512 version, you'll be paying around 70,000 rupees. So the price remains the same, and everything else about the phone remains the same as well. A huge thanks to the OnePlus store in Koramangala Forum Mall, Bangalore for giving me the phone for this video. Do check them out. All their details and the address will be in the description down below. If you're looking to buy any OnePlus products, they have the best deals all the time. And there you have it, the OnePlus 12 Glacial White. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on future uploads like this. But with that being said, my name has been Yusuf. You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome. Keep smiling. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
No.